Hey guys, it's your girl Kerizi here and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss when I post a video.
25 days of love and laughter, memories we'll be keeping after, family crafts and cozy dreams. Kerizii's world is full of gleams, so give this video a thumbs up too. Come and share, it's all for you. Subscribe and stay, don't miss a thing. Let's make the season shimmer and sing. It's Vlogmas with Kerizi.
Guys, the name of today is technical difficulties. When I tell you, it feels like everything that could go wrong went wrong. Let me start. So, this morning when I got up, it was snowing. So I was like, I was like, darling dearest, can you go and like do all the snow stuff so I can just drive to the gym? Okay, got that done. Guys, why did I think that when I got to the gym would have been empty? Or why did I think I was getting a really nice empty gym to myself? Nope, it was full. And I was just like, why is everybody here? Like, it's snowing. No. Anyways, while we were driving home, guys, when we're driving back from pickup, tell me why the coolant light came on again. Guys, took that and said, okay, fine, went to VW. The guy checks it. He's like, yeah, it shouldn't be this low. Now I have an appointment for next week. He's like, well, it's low, but like, it's not too low where you can't drive it, but it's definitely too low for a brand new car that was picked up the other day. So, not thrilled. Then, guys, the icing on the cake is my laptop is not reading my SD card. So this morning I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try reformatting and everything, and nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now. I know that might mean I have to redo like today as a different day, but like and I really feel like I was just like, getting in the groove, getting the swing of things. And it's so funny, the devil comes at this point in time. But guess what? It now win, because why? Guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I did in the gym today. And we're gonna unbox my iPhone 17 Pro. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, let's get into it. Hey guys, let's unbox the iPhone 17 Pro. Ooh, it looks even better in person. Oh my gosh. I mean, that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Yeah, but I believe that phone should. Oh my gosh, it feels nice and heavy. This feel like how phone used to feel. Like it feel it. It feels weighty. It definitely heavier than the one I have now.
For sure.
Okay. Period. Thanks, baby. This is my first time setting up an iPhone from an iPhone because I went Android iPhone. Use your Apple iCloud to set up your new account. To set it up. Set up for me. Yeah. Enter the passcode. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So does my apps and stuff automatically come over too?
That's usually how that goes, yeah.